your good name?
My name is Harish Reddy. We are from Shetty Institute of Technology, Kalaburgi, Karnataka, from Kalyan, Karnataka region.
So how you come to know about INEX, this event?
Like we have come to know about this INEX by the called Plyronest. It's an like it's a company which is encouraging the students in innovations, like developing the projects, and they are mentoring us how to do the work, how to do the research, and how to solve the problems of the people, and go to the field visits and see the Lohit sir is leading this Plyronest. He is the CEO of it. He has guided us till here, and he has taken us from Karnataka to Goa under his guidance.
So you are first time in Goa.
No, I am come second time, but my team has first time. Due to Lohit sir, we are here.
So explain us about your project.
Yeah, as you can see that this is a rural area. Like in the rural areas, there are single phase lines and poles. Wires are flowing over it, and the current is flowing like a 12,000 volt wire is flowing. Like whenever heavy rains comes or any like a tree is falling on the wires and the poles are breaking down and the cut of the wire and short circuit, these all problems are facing. And the main thing here, the problem statement is like linemen who are working linemen, they have to go to every pole and check whether the current is flowing or not, what is the problem, how can we they come. So to reduce all this, their time and to save the lives of the people, we have come up with this project. As we went to a field survey, like we have got to know that around 20 to 25,000 people are dying due to this circuit. To reduce that, we have come up with a project. Like as you can see that we are using the sensors, current sensor, which calculates the what is the voltage, over volt or less volt, and the current flowing through it. Like you can see here, whenever we join it, it is currently flowing, like current is passing through it. But when we remove it, the alarm is coming, right? Like this. This will be placed in the office of the electric department. Like they are having an app. That app helps them to locate the accurate location where the fault is there, like what type of fault. And we are making an app. In that app, it is used for the public. Like
It will be like it will be having some GPS sensors,
yeah, that is
and also it will give you a beep sound also.
yeah. Like we are using a sensor that is our separate sensor. Now there is not implemented. Like we are using a cable wire, as we see in the dish cables. Like that cable is placed throughout the cable.
So it will give us a location, exact location in coordinates or map.
Map link, like you can see here, in this way. Like there are pole numbers to all the poles. 1 pole, 2 pole, 3 pole, 4 pole. If there is a problem between 5 to 6 pole, till 5 it is current is flowing, as you can see here, green. When there is red light, you should think that there is no current flow. Like he will directly go to the pole number 6 using the location. He will directly reach the location, and as soon as possible he can solve the problem. And one more thing here is, when the alarm is beeping, he can directly off the main switch. It saves Minnie's life because he got to know that something is happening. So he can save many lives of the animals and as well as the human beings, because they don't know whether here is current is flowing or not. If it is on the road, they can recognize. If it is in the water, what's the problem? Water has a good conductivity of electricity. It is flowing very fluently. So it helps too much. And app which we have made is like that. In a pole we are having, there is a fault in the pole, like pole is broken or something is happened. The person, like public like us, can take a photo and send it to them in the app. That photo reaches the admin who is working in the electric department. He takes it and he sees it. Oh, this is the problem. I have to hire a worker for it. He will select the workers. How many workers are needed? He will select it and send it to the workers in that app only. Next, he will process it. Then worker will receive a notification. Something is there. He will open it. He will search what is the problem. He will directly press the location. He will reach the location. In the location, he will do the work. What is there? Later on, he will take a pic of that. The work is completed. This was the problem. We have solved it. He will send it. Again, the public, as a public, we can see what is going on. They are working or not. If they are not working, we can complain it again. Like as a government, it is the responsibility of our public. because government is working for public, right? So, keeping this mind, we have come up with this idea. Yes. Thank you.
तुम्ही पळयतात GNH.